Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to unpoke someone on Facebook. Whether you poked your ex by accident or just want to clear your history, there is actually a hidden way to take it back using the activity log. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First, a quick clarification. Facebook does not have a big undo poke button on your friend's profile. However, you can delete the poke from your history, which effectively removes the interaction. To do this, we need to go into your account's backend. Open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Tap the three dots next to the Edit Profile button. Select Activity Log from the list. Now we need to find the specific log of the poke you just sent. In the Activity Log, scroll down until you see Your Activity across Facebook. Tap the arrow to expand it, then look for Other Activity or sometimes Interactions. Scroll down until you find Pokes and tap on it. You will see a chronological list of everyone you have poked. Find the mistake poke, tap the three dots next to it, and select Delete. This removes the poke from your history. If you are trying to unpoke someone who keeps poking you, the method is different. You need to dismiss it so the poking war ends. Go to the search bar at the top of Facebook and type Pokes. Tap on the Pokes shortcut that appears. Here you will see everyone who has poked you. Do not click the blue Poke Back button. Instead, look for a Dismiss or X button next to their name. On some versions, you might need to hold down on their name. Once dismissed, the poke notification disappears, and they won't know you ignored them. And that's it. You now know how to scrub your poke history and stop accidental interactions. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.